purpose of conformal coatings is to protect printed circuit boards and components from harsh environments. Conformal coatings function by adhering tenaciously to PCB solder and component surfaces through environmental stresses such as humidity, water, chemicals, and particulates, and heat and cold exposure. The same properties that make a conformal coating a good protective coating make its removal more difficult. Light-cure conformal coatings, like those manufactured by Dymax, are cross-linked coatings that form strong bonds to electronic surfaces. Sometimes high-value printed circuit board surfaces need to have the conformal coating reworked or removed. In general, solvent-based, non-cross-linked, varnish-like coatings will be relatively easy to remove with solvents. Other chemistries with relatively low adhesion to electronic surfaces, like silicones, can be removed mechanically. Due to the good protective properties of cross-linked conformal coatings, more aggressive methods of rework and removal are required compared to solvent-based systems or silicone. 3 techniques used to rework and remove cross-linked conformal coatings include mechanical, thermal, and chemical. Mechanical removal involves either scraping or cutting or using a pressurized abrasive system to remove cured conformal coating. Pressurized abrasive systems are used to remove coating from surfaces without danger to the components or to the reworking process. Thermal removal requires the use of a hot air desoldering tool or gun to remove cured spot coatings by applying the heat source to the treated area and removing the coating as it softens. This method is useful when the surrounding area does not contain heat-sensitive components, since the tool directs the hot air to one spot. Chemical removal involves the use of a chemical stripping solution to treat localized areas of PCB or immersing the board in the solution to remove the cured coating. There are 4 methods for removing cross-linked conformal coatings: solder through, heat, abrasive media, and solvent. Position a soldering iron over a solder joint. Press the iron lightly onto the solder joint until the coating is penetrated. Move the solder iron to slice through the coating on the joint and around the component. Lift the component off. Gently sever the coating around the perimeter of the empty area, making room for a new component. Wash the area with IPA or another solvent. Position a heat gun over a component and heat the coating to 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently scrape the coating with a spatula as it softens. Blow off the parts with dry air to remove the scraped coating. Blast abrasive media at solder joints with conformal coating added. Blow off parts with dry air to remove any remaining media. Dip the PC board in solvent and remove the board once the coating has dissolved. Alternatively, apply solvent only to the areas on the circuit board that require rework. For more information on light-cure conformal coatings, visit Dymax.com.